Researchers searching for life on different planets often discuss the Goldilocks zone. Not excessively hot or cold, but just right. Now, NASA has found a planet that is squarely in that zone. NASA has discovered a super-Earth that could have conditions to support life. This new exoplanet is 137 light-years away, or about 800 trillion miles. Cosmologists say the planet is around 1.5 times the size of Earth and orbits a small, reddish star that is cooler than our Sun. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has barely begun its mission, yet it is already revealing that the universe is more mysterious and beautiful than humanity ever imagined. Beyond our solar system lies the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, located 24 trillion miles away. While that sounds like a lot, in space terms it is practically our neighbor. This is where a planet, Proxima Centauri b, has been found orbiting the star. The reason scientists are so excited is that this alien world is the closest exoplanet to us outside our own solar system. Proxima Centauri b, slightly larger than Earth, resides in the habitable zone of its star. This means that liquid water could theoretically exist on its surface, which is a key ingredient for life. Scientists believe the planet might even have the building blocks of life, possibly hosting alien microorganisms. Proxima Centauri b was first discovered in 2016. It orbits its star, a red dwarf, at a distance where conditions might allow liquid water to exist. Located just over 4 light-years away, it's incredibly close in cosmic terms. The planet is roughly 1.17 times Earth's mass and takes only 11 days to complete one orbit around its star. Unlike Earth's year-long orbit, this exoplanet's short year is due to its host star being much smaller and cooler than our Sun. However, there are complications. Being in the habitable zone does not automatically make the planet suitable for life. Its host star, a red dwarf, is highly active and prone to powerful flares. For example, in April 2021, Proxima Centauri released a flare 100 times more intense than any solar flare recorded on Earth. Such flares could strip away a planet's atmosphere, exposing it to dangerous radiation and making it extremely challenging for life to survive. Speaking of atmospheres, scientists are uncertain if Proxima Centauri b even has one. If it does, it is constantly bombarded by the star's flares, which could destabilize the atmosphere, prevent water retention, and make the planet inhospitable for life as we know it. Despite these challenges, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has provided striking images and data, offering details that were previously unimaginable. High-resolution observations have revealed surface features and hints about the planet's atmosphere. Yet, even with this new information, conditions on the planet remain dire. Researchers estimate that the planet experiences 2,000 times the solar wind radiation Earth does, posing significant threats to any potential life. One intriguing moment occurred in 2020, when researchers detected a strange signal coming from Proxima Centauri's direction. The unusual frequency sparked speculation about intelligent life. However, the signal was later determined to likely be interference, possibly from Earth's own satellites. Still, this brief moment of hope highlights humanity's deep desire to discover life beyond Earth. Efforts to explore Proxima Centauri b have also gained momentum. The ambitious Breakthrough Starshot project aims to send tiny spacecraft to the Alpha Centauri system, where Proxima Centauri is located, within a few decades. Using powerful lasers, these spacecraft could travel at 20% the speed of light, reaching Proxima Centauri in just 22 years. By comparison, current technology would take thousands of years to make the same journey. However, there are significant hurdles. For one, the lasers required would consume an enormous amount of power, roughly equivalent to the entire power consumption of the United States. Additionally, Earth's atmosphere distorts laser beams, making it challenging to precisely target a small spacecraft. If Starshot succeeds, humanity could explore nearby star systems within a single lifetime. Once the spacecraft arrives, it would still take an additional 4 years for data to travel back to Earth. While this is not instantaneous, it's a dramatic improvement over current exploration timescales. So, what might we see if we receive images of Proxima Centauri b? Could there be oceans, clouds, or signs of life? Or would it reveal a desolate, rocky wasteland battered by radiation? It's impossible to say for sure, but the possibilities are fascinating to imagine. In conclusion, while Proxima Centauri b has some Earth-like qualities, such as a rocky surface and location in the habitable zone, its conditions appear far from ideal for supporting life. However, the ongoing exploration of this exoplanet and others like it represents humanity's relentless curiosity and determination to uncover the mysteries of the universe. While Proxima Centauri b presents many challenges for life, it is one of many exoplanets being studied to understand the conditions necessary for life to thrive beyond Earth. Researchers are continually refining their tools and methods to explore the atmospheres of these distant worlds. Instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope offer a deeper look at their compositions, weather patterns, and potential habitability. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding another Earth-like planet. It's about understanding the diversity of conditions that might support life. While Proxima Centauri b may not be the perfect candidate for life as we know it, its proximity and potential make it an ideal candidate for further study. In addition to the advancements in space exploration, breakthroughs in astrobiology, the study of life in the universe, are also informing our understanding. Researchers are examining extreme environments on Earth where life thrives, such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents or acidic lakes, to determine what forms life might take on other planets with similarly harsh conditions. These discoveries help expand the definition of what makes a planet habitable, and could inform future missions to explore other moons and planets in our solar system and beyond. Furthermore, the excitement around finding signs of life or even habitable planets is driven by our deep desire to understand our place in the universe. Are we alone? Or is life elsewhere in the cosmos just waiting to be discovered? As technology advances, the chances of finding answers to these profound questions increase. While there are still many obstacles to overcome, both in terms of technology and our understanding of alien environments, the dream of exploring distant worlds and potentially finding life outside of Earth remains a driving force in modern science. Whether or not Proxima Centauri b or another planet proves to be a second home for humanity, the exploration of these distant worlds is undoubtedly an exciting chapter in the ongoing story of space exploration. In the future, as missions like Breakthrough Starshot progress, humanity may soon be able to take our first steps beyond our solar system, opening up entirely new realms of possibility for exploration and discovery. Perhaps one day, we will not only find other Earth-like planets but also unravel the mysteries of distant life forms, offering answers to questions that have intrigued us for centuries. For now, though, we must continue our journey of discovery, one observation at a time, driven by curiosity and the unyielding belief that the universe holds far more than we can yet comprehend. Contrasts make it probably not a cordial spot for life. The serious radiation from its star and the apparent lack of a protective atmosphere are significant obstacles. Even if there is water on the planet, which we don't know for sure, it's difficult to imagine how life could survive under such harsh conditions. But let's take a step back. Even if this exoplanet turns out to be uninhabitable, the fact that we can learn so much about it is still a big deal. It means our technology is improving, and our understanding of the universe is expanding. The James Webb Space Telescope is opening up new possibilities for exploration. Whether or not we find life on this planet, we're just getting started in our search. There are billions of stars in our galaxy alone, and many of them have planets. Some of these planets are bound to be in the right place, not too hot or cold where life could have a chance. This exoplanet might not be the jackpot, but that doesn't mean we should give up the search. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the universe. And that's really what this is about, isn't it? We want to know if we're alone. We want to understand whether the conditions that led to life on Earth are unique or if they're happening somewhere else right now. That question drives scientists to keep searching, asking, and exploring. For now, this exoplanet remains a question mark. It's a tantalizing possibility that there could be something out there, something alive. Even if it's microorganisms clinging to survival in the harshest environment possible, or maybe a barren, dormant rock that's close enough to trick us into expecting more. Either way, it's a reminder of how much we still don't know about the universe and how far we have to go. The James Webb Space Telescope will continue to focus its lens on the cosmos, capturing images of galaxies, nebulae, and perhaps more planets like Proxima b. Each image is a piece of the puzzle, a step toward understanding the vast, awe-inspiring enormity of space. And who knows? Maybe one day we really will discover that we're not alone. Meanwhile, let's appreciate what we have. We live on a planet that is perfectly suited for us. We have water, an atmosphere, and a magnetic field that shields us from solar radiation. Earth is a rare and exceptional place. Finding another Earth, a world as welcoming as this one, may be even harder than we think. Until we get definitive proof, this exoplanet will remain a fascinating question. It's close enough that we can almost touch it, yet distant enough to keep us guessing. We're on the edge of what we know, and that's an exciting place to be. The discoveries of the James Webb Space Telescope are just beginning. This planet is only the first of many worlds we'll learn more about in the years to come. Learning about the harsh conditions on Proxima Centauri b helps us understand how difficult it is for life to survive beyond Earth. There's a lot to consider when we think about life beyond Earth, especially on a planet like this one. The challenges are immense, but the rewards could be even greater. Imagine a reality where we know for sure that we are not alone. Imagine what it would mean for humanity to understand that our tiny planet is not the only one that has managed to foster life. The very idea is both humbling and exhilarating. Let's be honest about the facts. Even if this planet has water or an atmosphere, it's not a second Earth. The fact that it's located in the habitable zone is encouraging, but it's not enough to guarantee life. Many factors need to align perfectly for a planet to support life. And right now, this exoplanet doesn't seem to have all of them. Red dwarf stars like Proxima Centauri are known for being unstable, and their flares can be deadly for any nearby planet. These flares could strip away the atmosphere, evaporate water, and expose any potential life to lethal radiation. But that doesn't mean we should abandon our interest in this planet. There's still so much we can learn from studying this exoplanet. Each time we look at it, we gain a better understanding of what makes a planet habitable. We study the conditions required for life and improve our ability to identify those conditions elsewhere in the universe. In many ways, this exoplanet is helping us refine our search for alien life. It's teaching us what to look for and what to avoid. It's also important to note that this exoplanet isn't the only candidate for life. There are other exoplanets out there, some of which are even better suited. For example, the planets in the TRAPPIST-1 system are located in the habitable zone of their star.